cat, love?
I've got a cat.
Right, now, welcome to another random video with a cat.
That's being a pain.
Oh no.
Because she wants to go out and annoy the birds.
You want to go out and play with the birds, don't you? She's not allowed to go out and play with the birds.
Hello.
No, you look tiny now. No, it'd be. Right. Welcome back to take two. Yeah?
Yeah.
The cat will stay in to start, but not afterwards. We've locked the door on her now, hopefully. She won't get in, but if you're crashing against the door,
She'll
it's
open
Willow.
the door.
Yeah, it's Willow. Hi everybody. Hello.
Hello.
I've decided to do a random video, just one of them spontaneous videos that are going to happen a lot on Big OGGIE World.
Okay.
Welcome to Big OGGIE World, by the way. Okay. Would you like to win £5,000?
Love £5,000.
Yeah, so would I, or €5,000. Now, I popped into Tesco's. You can pop in a Poundland. There's various other places you can see these at the moment.
Right.
But there is a competition ongoing for Cadburys.
Okay.
Okay. The idea is Cadburys have produced 2 mystery bars. Mystery bar number 1. Mystery bar number 2. And I think for about another month, you can go on their website and you can have a look. And you can keep making attempts every single day to guess the mystery bar flavours.
Right.
Okay, and there's quite a number of videos probably on YouTube already where people have said, we know what the flavour is. I don't think it's that simple.
Okay.
So, I got to. Now, being the frugal person that I am, I didn't go for the big bars. Because what's the point of having a giant bar, a decent full size, well, OGGIE size bar of chocolate, if you don't like the flavour?
Exactly.
Yeah. So we've gone for the small versions. Okay.
Plus the fact, we are trying to be a bit more sensible.
You're trying to be a bit more sensible, yeah. If you gave me a giant bar of whole nut, it'll be gone very quickly. Right. So the idea is you have to solve the puzzle of the flavour. Okay. I believe it's a white cream inside both, so that doesn't really give you any clues. I did actually try and look on the back because, let's be honest, you think by law nowadays we're supposed to put in all the things. And all it says is milk chocolate with flavoured filling. So I've gone through some of the ideas, and apart from the fact of the whey powder and the cocoa and the butter and the skim milk and all those kind of, well, a few E numbers and whatever, it doesn't actually give you any idea of what that is. No. No, or that one. Right. Okay. I did look on Mumsnet, because obviously I look at Mumsnet a lot, and someone did say they reckoned number 1 was washing up liquid and number 2 was cucumber banana, but I think that was a joke. Okay, so we'll try number 1. Now I did pop them in the fridge for a while because it's been quite hot here for a few days, so they might be a bit on the firm side. Smell? Remember, we review so you don't have to, but it doesn't necessarily mean we're going to get this right because we're probably very wrong.
To me.
Smells?
Nutty.
No, that actually just smells like dairy milk chocolate, but it actually does smell like whole nut. But okay, but it's probably about the filling, not about the chocolate. Okay. Now, before we start,
if we get it right.
Hang on, no, not before we get it right. Actually, I should have done this first. Kelly does have quite a violent reaction to mint.
Yeah.
So if maybe I should try them first.
No, that's why I'm sniffing them.
It'd be quite a good viral video to see you projectile vomiting.
No.
But okay. So I'm pretty sure it's not mint in the first one. Take your time. Bear with.
It's just like smells mint. Nutty to me.
Do you know that's really nice? But fruity with cream. Could take a while, this. Not going to be easy.
It's very delicate.
Yeah. So it's a cream one. It's definitely fruit. But it's not going to be simple. It's not going to be, oh, it's strawberry or raspberry, is it? This is going to be not a plum.
No.
Not plummy. So it's a berry. I'm going with something like Loganberry. It's going to be something that isn't quite as obvious as you think. Maybe
I
with
still
something
say
else.
there's some nut in that.
Okay, well, another piece.
No.
How are we going to win £5 if you don't keep eating it? So what do you reckon? I reckon it's not yogurt. Not sharp enough.
Oh,
Go on.
it could be yogurty.
You reckon?
Yeah. It's not sour yogurty.
No, but it's got an edge to it.
Yeah.
Someone actually thought there might have been matcha tea in it,
I
but
don't know. I've never tried that.
I'm not
so
really
I
getting
won't
that
know.
one. Yeah, I'm getting a kind of yogurt vibe. I'm going for,
Could be something like cranberry.
yeah, it's a berry yogurt. I'm going for Loganberry yogurt
Right.
because I want to be a bit random and have a go out there. We will take part. Hey, if we win, we'll do another video. But if anyone's tried these, this is number 1. Let us know in your comments what you thought and what your guesses were. I'm going for Loganberry yogurt.
Yeah, it could be something like that.
What are you going for?
I agree with you.
No, don't agree. We'll have 2 chances. Come on. It's definitely a berry.
Yeah.
It's not a citrusy berry. It's a berry.
Yeah.
Not a Mary berry. It's Mary berry yogurt.
It could be. I mean, I still think it could be something like cranberry-ish.
Okay, a little bit of palate cleansing here. Cup of tea.
Yeah. But yeah, definitely. Now you said it. Definitely a yogurty.
Okay, so I'm going. So Big Oggie reckons Loganberry yogurt. Little Oggie reckons cranberry
I go cranberry.
yogurt.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's our first guess. Okay, for mystery bar number 1, Loganberry or cranberry yogurt.
Yogurty
I
type,
don't think
yeah.
there's anything else in it, but it's
still
going to
says-
catch you out, aren't they?
yeah.
Right, number 2. Open it. Be
See,
careful.
this one worried me
Right,
because it's got a green tinge to it.
got a green. Kelly's aversion to mint is so bad that if you like buy Aero or anything, that's another brand, and it's next to, like, you buy the orange or the normal one, and it's next to a set of stuff that has mint on it, she can't get anywhere near it. You're not allowed
I
it.
won't buy it.
We're also not allowed mint toothpaste in this house. Georgia sneaks up chewing gum upstairs and hides it.
Yeah.
And Christmas, I've
Right.
missed out on so many of
This
things.
is quite a strong one.
Yeah, we don't do After Eights or Elizabeth Shaw or anything anymore.
No, but smell that. That's got quite a stronger smell.
Oh, that's really strong. That's not a creamy kind of thing now. That's quite kicking. That's quite sharp. Okay, so this is number 2. Oh, that's a bit citrusy, isn't it?
Do you reckon? You don't reckon that's minty?
Oh, hang on. Okay, right.
I'm not trying that.
Wow, that's very different. That's undescribable, actually. Not mint, but herbal. It's herbal. Like bergamot. That kind of... Like this might be the tea one. It's a bit like Earl Grey.
No, it's definitely not bergamot.
That'd be Earl Grey, wouldn't it?
Yeah. What's Lady Grey?
Orange with bergamot as opposed to Earl Grey lemon. Bergamot, I think. Oh, that's just... Wow, I can't pinpoint
That's
that.
heavier as well.
It's heavier, stronger. Please, if you've got any ideas about number 2, because quite frankly, I'm absolutely stumped right now. It's not quite citrus.
What's that? Is that yuzu or something like
Oh,
that?
yuzu. Well, that could be quite citrusy, yeah. But there's a floral element going on there.
Yeah, it's not your traditional oranges, lemons, clementines, that sort of thing.
No,
But
could be yuzu.
you could have a pineapple tinge to it.
See, this is what I mean. There's a definite, it's going to sound weird, a definite foreign fruit, definite Far Eastern kind of exotic fruit, shall we say. Like ugly fruit.
No, that's not grapefruit.
Well, that's more of a grapefruit, isn't it? But then so is the yuzu.
What's
Please, any suggestion on number 2? Because
like
number 2.
persimmon or dragon fruit or
You reckon
something
something like that? Could be. Well, I've eaten most of these things, but just remembering what they all taste like.
That's the thing, isn't it? When you're faced with something completely.
There's a floralness going on there. There's definitely a herb.
Right, lovage or something like that. It's not. It's definitely not chamomile. It's not florally enough for chamomile.
That's why I was guessing bergamot, 'cause I'm thinking kind of tea kind of thing, and
But
fruity,
bergamot
but flowery.
really is quite orangey though, isn't it?
But it's got that kind of citrusy, slight citrusy thing going on.
It's got a pineapple-y element.
Pineapple element, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're close on number 1, I think.
What?
Number 2 is just going to be guesswork every day.
What about?
This video's going to go on forever, but that's just not having a clue.
Do you think it could be something like pineapple thyme?
Yeah, it could be, couldn't it? Then you get the herby thing, and you get the kind of. Yeah, it's not
Definitely
lemon.
not lemon.
It's not like pineapple mint.
No.
There's no mint in
No
it.
mint in it. But something like pineapple thyme or something
Okay, well,
like
if
that.
you go for pineapple thyme, right? So Little Oggie's choice is pineapple thyme, and while you think that might be random, try it because I don't think you're that far off. I'm going for yuzu and bergamot.
Okay.
Okay, because it just comes straight into my head as soon as I did it and thinking it's bergamot.
Okay.
So again, it's just one of those completely random ones. If we were reviewing them, not necessarily to guess the thing, although it's quite handy if we do, to see if they're actually quite nice.
I think personally, I could not eat a small bar. They're quite.
They're quite strong. Yeah, they remind me of a slight Cadburys derivation. Now they remind me of Fry's 5 centres.
Yeah, a bit like that.
They got those. It's almost like when you get 2 of them, and you get like the strawberry one and another one next to it, and you have a bit of each.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're very sweet.
They're very sweet. They're a cream bar, so you wouldn't be eating loads of it. I mean, I'm glad I haven't bought a huge one.
No, I'm glad he's as well.
We'll pass them on to
The children
our
and see what they
experts.
say.
Yeah, more likely Georgia, because Ben might
Ben's
not be
not.
very keen on
No.
strangeness, but Georgia will try it. So, I reckon pineapple. Sorry, you reckon pineapple,
Thyme, I'm
thyme,
thinking.
and I reckon bergamot and yuzu.
Okay,
Okay,
go for it.
but try them, because if you like slightly fruity, kind of creamy chocolate bars, nothing wrong with it. There's no nut in them. There's no mint. If there is,
No, definitely
40
no
days
mint.
disguise that well, and I'll find out in about half an hour. Give them a go. Yeah, mystery bars. It's a mystery to me. I have no idea, but there's a lot of fun tasting them and giving them a try. So we review, so you don't have to. But if you want to go for £5,000, give them a go and let us know what you think.
Yeah.
Comment below. What
And if any of you do guess it,
yeah,
let us know as
get it
well.
right, yeah. If you haven't guessed it properly, let us know in private and we'll share the money with you, okay? So, bar number 1, bar number 2, well done Cadburys for a bit of fun. And I think it's quite a good little bit of market employ going on here. We'll see how it goes. Bye everybody, a little bit of random video. We'll see you all again soon for another taste test, another review. Remember, we review so you don't have to, unless you want to win £5,000.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Quick little bit of stop press. Not that we know the answer, but if you're very into this idea, if you go onto Twitter, I think it's Twitter, maybe even Instagram, and you look at the Cadburys posts, they are saying that you can get in touch, click certain links or whatever for clues. I've not seen any of those, so we stick with what we've got for now. But there are advice and clues to what they might be. Give it a go.
See you later.